Hi parents, I just wanted to make a video for you today. One of the parents contacted me and let me know that the laptop her son is using is a little slow. Now that is the district laptop. So one thing that you can do if your laptop is slow is you can do an update. So go to the bottom left, start. You'll find a little star. It says setting, click setting. Then you will see check for update. So you want to click on update. I'm not going to do it now. That will update the laptop, and then after that you will want to make sure that you restart the computer. Okay, so go to setting, start, setting. You'll see a little star. Click for updates. It will probably take a little bit if you haven't done it so far. So that should help if your laptop is a little slow.